Hello everyone, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain HLOOKUP in 5 different ways. HLOOKUP is an important Excel function which is used to retrieve data from the rows of table. We can use HLOOKUP in different ways. Here I have listed 5 ways through which I am going to explain it. Let's start with the first one. Let's start with the normal HLOOKUP. There are 4 components of HLOOKUP, like in VLOOKUP we had. So first component is lookup value, and the second component is table array. Third one is row index. In VLOOKUP we had column index, here we have row index, and the fourth one is for partial or exact match. Let's start with it. Here our lookup value is student name. Let me explain the data first. Here we have a data of students wherein there are the students name, like these are the students name, and here we have their subjects and how much marks they have scored in their respective subjects like physics, chemistry, maths and biology. So let's start. HLOOKUP, our lookup value is this one, this student name. Then my table array is this. Okay, I'm going to freeze it by pressing F4. Why I pressed F4? Because I want my HLOOKUP to search data within this table range. Okay, then the row index. What is the row index? I want marks of students in maths. So if I start my row from here, as you can see, if I treat this row as a first row, then this will be first, then second, third and fourth. Marks exist in fourth row. I will give a reference of 4 as a row index, and then 0 for an exact match. Closing the bracket, enter. Here I get the result. Now I will do Ctrl D. You can see that how easily I get the result. Moving on further to the next one, fetching data from another sheet and workbook. How can we fetch data from another sheet or workbook? Let's start with again the same formula, HLOOKUP. Our lookup value is my student name, comma. I have data in this sheet number 2. Okay, so from here I will select the table range, this one. I have to find total marks. The total mark exists in first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth row. So I will give a row index as 6th row, and then 0 for an exact match, and then simply enter. Oh, there is something wrong. Let's start again. HLOOKUP, student name, table array. This is my table array. I will freeze this by pressing F4. Okay. Then the total marks. Total mark exists in row number 6, 0. Here I got it. Now I will do simply Ctrl D. Here I get the result. So easy. Just like a video game. Now again, let's start. Now we have to find biology marks of every student from a different workbook. Okay, how we can do so? Method is same. The formula method will remain always same. The only thing will be changes. If you are using worksheet, then the worksheet address will come in table array, and if you are using workbook, then the workbook address will come in table array. Okay, let's do it again. I will select this student, then I have this workbook. I have workbook book number 1, from where I will select my table array. This is my table array. Now, biology marks exist in row number 4, as you can see. If this is my first row, this is second, this is third, first, second, third, fourth, and this fifth. Biology marks exist in 5th row. Okay, starting from name column. Okay, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. Now then 0 for an exact match. One more thing I had to do, I had to just freeze this. Again I'm selecting this one. Okay, now I will press F4, freeze it. I want my formula to search within this range only. Then row number 5, then 0 for an exact match, then closing the bracket. Here I got it. Then I will do simply Control D. Here I get the result. You can cross verify. Ravi, Anuj, Anil, Anita 95, 90, 85, 80, 63. 95, 90, 85, 63. Here I got it. Okay. So simple. Let's move on. Our next HLOOKUP is HLOOKUP from multiple values simultaneously. How we can get so? Okay. Sometimes we want multiple column data at the same times. We don't want to apply a different HLOOKUP for every column. In that case, I want my single formula to work for every column. How we can do so? Let's see. This is one of the tricky part of this HLOOKUP. Here, I will select this one. This is my lookup value and I am going to freeze it by pressing F4. Then my table array. This is my table array, and again I am going to freeze it by pressing F4. Now I will use a function called columns. Okay, then I will give just for these two first columns. Out of these, within this range, I will freeze the first letter by pressing F4. Okay, then I am closing this bracket, comma, 0 for an exact match, then enter. Here I get it. Now, if I will drag this to the right, it will automatically copy the marks in all the columns. So easy, only single formula used and it is getting copied in every column. Okay, now if I want to find the marks of the remaining student, what I will do, I will go to the first one, I will highlight the first one and then go to the formula bar. From here I will erase the $sign, then enter, and then Control D. So easy. Okay, again I will highlight the marks in chemistry. I will go to formula bar, I will erase $sign from the lookup value, then enter, and I will do Control D. Here I get it. Again for maths, I will go to formula bar, I will erase $sign from the lookup value, and then simply Control D. So easy. Then I will go to biology marks and then go to formula bar. From there I will erase $sign from lookup value then enter. So easy it was. Here you can cross verify. Ravi's Anuj Anil Anita. Ravi Anuj Anil Anita. Their marks in physics 55, 60, 75 and 72. Here I got it. This one is this one. As you can see it, I got the result and cross validated it. Okay. Moving on further. Using of HLOOKUP with list. Okay. So it is also a funny part of this HLOOKUP. So suppose I want a drop down button here wherein student name should appear. Okay. And whenever I select any student name, the marks should automatically reflect here. I want this kind of arrangement. Can I do so? Let's say, okay, go to data. From data, go to data validation. Select data validation. Select list. Okay. My source will be these names. Okay. Then okay, do it okay. Now here you can see this drop down I got the student names. Okay, what I want, whenever I select any name, then the total marks of that student should appear here. Okay, then start HLOOKUP. I will select this field as a lookup value, then my table array. Okay, wait a minute, my table array is this one, then pressing F4 to freeze it, then comma. Total mark exists in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, starting from Ravi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total mark exists in 6th column. To index will be 6, then 0, 4. An exact match. Then enter. Okay. Why it is giving an name? Because I haven't selected any student. No. Now I have selected Ravi. It is showing me Ravi's total mark. Whenever I select Anuj, it shows me Anuj's total mark. Whenever I select Anil, it shows me Anil's total mark. When I am going to select Anita, it shows me Anita's total mark. So easy, isn't it? Okay, moving on to the final one, 5th one, wildcard search. Okay, this is one of the very easiest and very funniest part of HLOOKUP. So let's start. HLOOKUP, and suppose I have this kind of data wherein items have been given in a group and their group color have been given. Okay, now what I want is I want to segregate it over an individual item by color. So can I do this with the help of HLOOKUP? Yes, I can do this. Let's start. HLOOKUP, inverted comma, star, closing inverted comma, and sign. Then my value is this one, then closing and then again inverted comma, then star, then closing inverted comma, then comma. This was the first part of lookup value. Okay, now my table array. This is my table array, and I'm going to freeze it by pressing F4. Now, comma, what I want their color, individual color. So color exists in the row number 2, starting from ABC to green. ABC is the first one, green is the second. So color name exists in second row. So then 0, for an exact match, then simply enter. Okay, so simple. Now I will do a Control D. Here I got the result. So easy, just like a video game. So HLOOKUP is so simple. I have explained HLOOKUP in 5 different ways. Now I hope you would be easily doing it. Thank you. Bye bye.